Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and detailed insights into the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best hard wave brush for men 360, the Kingston Grooming Co. Hard Wave Brush. If you're looking for a brush that delivers exceptional results for your hair, beard, or waves, stick around as we take a closer look at why this might be the perfect addition to your grooming routine. First off, let's talk about what makes this brush stand out. Kingston Grooming Company has been dedicated to creating top-tier grooming tools since 2015, and the Hard Wave brush is a prime example of their commitment to quality. Featuring premium boar bristles, this brush is designed for men who want to achieve sleek, defined waves. The firmness of the bristles ensures that it works perfectly for coarse or thick hair, giving you maximum control and precision. What's more, the design of this brush is both practical and stylish. It's handcrafted with a smooth, curved wooden handle that fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for easy maneuverability. Whether you're working on your waves, styling your hair, or grooming your beard, the ergonomic design ensures you have full control for a flawless finish every time. Another great feature is the inclusion of a sturdy travel box, making this brush easy to take on the go. Whether you're heading to the gym, traveling for work, or going on vacation, this brush stays protected, keeping it in pristine condition no matter where life takes you. It's lightweight yet durable, meaning you can rely on it for the long haul. The Kingston Grooming Co. Hard Wave Brush is not only great for creating and maintaining 360 waves, but it's also perfect for daily use on your hair or beard. The boar bristles help distribute natural oils throughout your hair, keeping it smooth and shiny while preventing any unwanted frizz. This brush is versatile enough to be used on a variety of hair types, whether you have thick, fine, or curly hair. For those who take grooming seriously, the Kingston Grooming Co. Hard Wave Brush is a must-have. It's built to last, and the quality is evident from the moment you hold it in your hands. The sturdy wood handle and premium bristles ensure that this is a tool you can depend on every day. It's more than just a brush. It's an investment in your grooming routine that will provide professional-level results with every use. If you're ready to take your waves, hair, or beard to the next level, the Kingston Grooming Co. Hard Wave Brush for Men 360 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an honest review of the latest and greatest products. See you in the next video.